Once you have removed the top cover from the actual power nozzle portion of the BGU1500T or 1800T, what you are then going to do is you will have to remove this cap in order to access the removal of the rear wheels and the rear wheel axle. This was not very easy, okay? I actually had to grab a small, very small flathead to get up in there, and then I had to finish it off with the big one, and this is why. It has little teeth on it, okay? So don't get discouraged. You really have to pry this off. This is holding that wheel on there, okay? So then you're gonna have your rear wheel. This is the part that faces outward. The extra spokes goes on the interior, okay? Now, you're gonna have this little tiny ring. It goes on the back of the wheel. Once you get one side removed, you can then slide the rest of the rear wheel and axle out of the other side. And then you are ready to replace the items. Now, as people who have watched my videos before know, I'm only so big. So, in order for me to get this on here, I'm gonna get it in position, and then I'm gonna use my mallet. You will need to hold the opposite end as you do this.